Okay, my fourth technology is Calm. Is the Calm? It's an app also, and you can also use it on your desktop like this. It is free for educators. You do have to verify via your school email that like you're actually a teacher. Um, there's tons of different options. When you log in, this is the screen that it brings you to, and these are like the meditation videos and things. What I really like to do is with my classes, I go down here to kids, and it's pretty neat. We do this one obviously because we're in kindergarten, and it has different sessions for them. They're really short. But it's just like introducing them to meditating and breathing with social emotional tie into this. Obviously, my kids, were being in the area that I'm at, they have a lot of trauma and they have been through a lot of things that we as adults can't even imagine. And so providing them with the chance to come in and meditate and kind of get their mind in the right spot and know like I'm at school, this is my safe place, we're going to get my head wrapped around it. It's been really cool to see them grow with it. It brings it very simply and introduces it as blowing candles. And so now what we do is if like we get really wild up, like I can easily just say like, hey, let's take some birthday breaths is what we call them. And we can do that deep breathing because they were able to be introduced to it through these just short little clips. Also, I like to put the music on during just different work time for the class, during writing a lot too. So it just kind of helps to calm them down. And it's weird, but it really does like bring the class kind of, it calms them down. Like it's just I mirror it to our Apple TV in the room, put it down on like a quieter volume, and they can just write, and they're not as distracted. It seems like it pops to that background when it goes away. But yeah, so this is a great one. I love having it. I know I have a couple that both tie in with that social emotional piece, but like I said, I really just saw a really big need for that in my classroom over the past few years, and this year that was a goal for me. And so to find these applications and these websites has been awesome to be able to start using them and implementing them with my students and seeing how they're able to be successful with it. ISTE standards for this one, I have 2, B, and C.